this is my closet. And I just love being back in Arizona. Got my beautiful palm trees and the birds are chirping. Sometimes it's not such a good thing because it's hard to focus when you've got birds chirping. But anyway, today I have my favorite accessory box, Luxury Divas. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate it. It is just so much fun doing YouTube. I have yet to do a live, but I have jumped on a bunch and they are just so much fun. You just like sit there and you're crying because it's just so much fun and you're laughing so hard. So let's get into it. This box, I want to say it's $35 a month if you just get one box. If you get more, it goes down. I think I pay $30 a month because I do it for 3-6 months at a time. I have a link below, so if you want to try it, which I recommend you do, you'll get $5 off your first box and you're gonna love it. As I said, it's accessories, it has jewelry, belts, makeup, you name it, it's in there. So I have not peeked. This is one box I'm pretty good about not peeking on because it's always so nice. And you get different boxes. So you fill out a style card with your sizes, if you like jewelry, I think if your ears are pierced, if you like makeup. So they go in depth about you so that they customize it to you. So the first thing, I should show you how beautiful it looks, is a personalized card. And I've had Marina, I think, since I started. So thank you so much for continuing your subscription. I did it for 6 months and I forgot. And then all of a sudden, it's like, okay, you have until today to order. So I stopped my video and I went and I ordered. So thank you so much for continuing your subscription with us again. I'm so excited for October because I love pumpkin picking. This month's October box is perfect for the cooler days. Hope you and your subscribers enjoy. Happy Halloween. Love, Marina. They know that I do YouTube. So, and then they put her picture and she's a gorgeous girl. Then they have a booklet with everything that's in here. And again, I'm not going to peek. And they have a sheet with everything that's in there and prices. And what's nice is if they send you a top, you can go to their website and they'll let you know if that top comes in different colors. So if you get it in blue, they'll be like, oh, it comes in white, it comes in purple. So if you want to order more of those, you can. Or if you want to order it as a gift, you can. So the first thing, it looks like a top. So it is yellow. And I'm not sure. I guess it's a top. It could be a dress. I think they've sent 1 or 2 dresses out and I absolutely love them. They're just slip-on dress. You just throw them on. Now because of my weight gain, I can't wear them for a while because I would have to wear head to toe Spanx. But I'm thinking this is a dress. It's by Yolette. It's a size large and oh no, it's a top. It's just a big top for my big body. So it looks like this and look at the sleeves. Definitely a fall color. This is like super cute. It is, sorry, I'm scratching my face. It is so cute. It's just a plain, simple top. You can throw it on with a necklace, you can throw it on with a cardigan or a sweater, depending on where you live. But this is really pretty. And I dropped something, so I'll be right back. There was my exercise for today. I keep dropping things. Actually, it's so windy here now. They keep blowing away. And, oh, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I've watched videos where they put the breast cancer makeup on. I mean, it's really creative. So who doesn't like it? And it says, faith and courage for breast cancer. Nobody can say no to that. The next thing looks like jewelry, and they always package in these great bags. So let's see what we got. Ooh, there's a little card, a little LD card. Thank you so much for resubscribing to the LD box. This is just a little token of our appreciation. Oh, this is a gift. Oh, how sweet is that? And wait till you see what it is. It's this really nice, I'm assuming it's a bracelet. Sorry, with the pulleys. Now, I do wear mostly silver, but there are occasions that I do wear gold, and this is beautiful. So thank you guys. Okay, and the next thing is by Luxury Divas. It's made in China. I don't know what it is. Isn't the fun part about opening these boxes? It's like your birthday, and you never know what you're gonna get. The socks. Now, I obviously will not be wearing these for a while. I'd like to remember to bring them up to Washington, but I probably won't because they probably wouldn't fit in my suitcase. But they are so soft. I wish you guys can feel them. And, oh, another pumpkin bag. I'm telling you guys, if you have not tried this subscription, it is definitely worth trying at least once so you have the experience. Wow. Look at that. It's a silver bracelet. It's like a bar. Can you see that? And there's the closure. Now, I probably won't be able to get it on by myself. I'm waiting for somebody to invent something. I bought one thing that you're supposed to be able to use to put it on, but that thing just didn't work. So let me try and do it this way. I don't know if you can, it's not sitting right because I don't have it clasped. And there goes the bag. But that is so nice, and it's silver. All right, let's see what I did with the bag. It is a little breezy. It is a little breezy out here, so I apologize for having to keep running away, but it's probably my only form of exercise I'm gonna get. And the next thing, oh, more jewelry. It's, oh, they're silver earrings. Now again, I paid, I think $30 for this box, and just opening like the shirt and a couple pieces of jewelry is so worth it. And again, it would make a great gift because it's already packaged for you. So I'm trying to figure out how you slip these on, but they're adorable. They have the hoops there with the dangly, and then you clip it through your ear. But this will go perfect with that bracelet. Exciting. Oh, oh, oh. Who doesn't love candy corn? Now girls, hold yourselves back. I will eat this. This is probably why I am not a medium and I am a large. Oh, how fun is that? And it looks like the last thing, I will not wear this here, okay? But it's a most adorable hat. So you can see it. It's kind of like a brown color, but this is so cute. And I am going to put this in a box for my daughter. If you don't know, my daughter this week moved to Germany for 2 years. Her and her husband love to travel. They love Europe. So she applied for jobs and she got a job offer in Berlin. So they packed up and moved. And I know they're gonna have some cold times there. So I'm putting together a box and I will send this to her, and it would look adorable on her. And I'll have her send me a picture with her wearing the hat, because that I know she'll wear. And I don't, oh, there's one more item in the box. I just love this box. Oh my God, look at this. It is a cute little handbag. Don't know if you fold it. It has a shoulder strap. Seriously, is this not cute? I got a little bag in my Pop Sugar. If you want to check out, oop, there it goes. If you want to check out that video, I got the cutest little bag. But this is just such a different style, and it's so nice. It's got the gold zippers. Again, I don't wear a lot of gold, but this is something I would definitely wear. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect size even to put in the motorcycle bag. So Pam, if you're watching, I hope you got this. And it's got little tassels, but look at the inside. How designer looking. It's got a couple pockets for your phone. Oh my God. It's the perfect size. I'm just like speechless because this box just always wows me. It's just got a little bit of everything in it. So let's go over everything that was in the box and the prices. So that beautiful, I guess it's a mustard color top, and it comes in this yellow, and it also comes in blue and burgundy. If it looks nice on me, I might have to order more. And it retails for $27. So that's close to paying for the box right there. That adorable little, I'm gonna call this my little German girl hat. That is the brown mohair slouchy beanie cap, and that retails for $20. But it also comes in black, red, ivory, and gray. So this, I wish you guys can see this hat, especially in the colder climates. That gorgeous silver bracelet, it just comes in silver, and it's $27 it retails for. And these are the earrings. I don't know if you can get a better look at them, but they were super cute. And they're the sterling silver plated box link. Or no, I'm going back. The bracelet was $27. The sterling silver plated crystal stone earrings are $20. I'm just so wowed I can't read. And that black tassel crossbody bag, it comes in gray, cream, purple, black, and brown. And it's $20. And I could tell you right now, I might try ordering the gray one because I just love it so much, and it's very roomy. And then the fuzzy white LD boot socks, they retail for $10, and I guess they just come in the white. And again, they threw in the cancer bracelet, which is really nice. And I'm just wondering, I'm gonna check if they donate. You know, a lot of boxes donate money, so I'm gonna find out if they donate, and I'll leave that below. And then of course, for signing up, again, I got that beautiful bracelet. So let me know what you thought. Again, I will leave the link for $5 off, because I so recommend that you try this box. It's fun. And with the prices, even if you kept like the purse or the shirt, it really kind of paid for itself. So as always, you guys have an awesome day. Talk to you later.